If you want to make your voice sound better, professional, even if you are using a low budget microphone like me, then this is the video for you. So watch this video till the end. So first of all, we will be using a software called Adobe Audition. If you have not yet downloaded, then please download it. And so yeah, let's get started. First of all, go to the new and click on audio file, and you will see some options. Just set the channel into mono and hit OK. And before I record it, it is super important that you have to set your microphone correctly. So go to and click on preferences and click on audio hardware. So here you have to set the default input with your microphone you are trying to record. So for me it is Fifine T669 and hit OK. So let me record now. And here is the raw audio output file I have recorded.
Hello and welcome to Untitled Chapter. If you are new to this channel, then please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to Untitled Chapter. If you are new to this channel, then please like and subscribe.
So yeah, let's add the audio effect into our file. First thing is select the audio file with the Ctrl+A, and now what you want to do is go to this amplitude and compression, and now click on amplify. So now choose the 3 dB boost from the drop down.
Hello and welcome to Untitled Chapter. If you are new to this channel, then please like and subscribe.
The next effect is once again go to the amplitude and compression and select the part limiter from the drop down and select limit to -3 dB.
Hello and welcome to Untitled Chapter. If you are new to this channel, then please like and subscribe.
The third effect is also similar to amplitude and compression, and select the Multiband Compressor, and what you want to do is select the broadcast from the drop down.
Hello and welcome to Untitled Chapter. If you are new to this channel, then please like and subscribe.
And you can just play around with different settings. And now the fourth effect we will be applying is the filter and EQ, and click parametric equalizer and select vocal enhancer. Let's play the audio and see how it sounds better or not.
Hello and welcome to Untitled Chapter. If you are new to this channel, then please like and subscribe.
So yeah, it sounds way better. And the last effect we will gonna be adding is very important because it will sense the entire thing. So yeah, now go to the filter and EQ and select the graphic equalizer 20 bands and select the 20 band classic 5.
Hello and welcome to Untitled Chapter. If you are new to this channel, then please like and subscribe.
So let me play the final audio. And
hello and welcome to Untitled Chapter. If you are new to this channel, then please like and subscribe.
And one thing that if your environment are not good enough, you can also add adaptive noise reduction.
Hello and welcome to Untitled Chapter. If you are new to this channel, then please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to Untitled Chapter. If you are new to this channel, then please like and subscribe.
And it's all done, but you have to apply the effects into your audio file. If not, then you can't export the audio file. So let me show you the error it will come up. So let me export this audio. Go to the file and click export, and click file, and look, it shows up the error. So we have to add the effects. To do so, we have to select all the effects we have applied, hold Control and click all to select. After that, we have to click on the apply button, and it is good to go. So yeah, I hope this video makes your audio sounds way more professional. If you found this video really helps, then please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.